Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPO Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a radar chart in VBA Excel. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe, like and share this video with your family and friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this video, then please do comment in the comment section. Now we are going to see how to create a radar chart in VBA Excel. To create a radar chart in VBA Excel, we require categorical data and their values. So this is my categories and these are my values for the categories. Now first we will see the output of our chart and then we will deep dive into our VBA code to create this amazing chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get started with our output. Now as you can see that we have this amazing chart in front of us created using VBA Excel, which has a title, legends on top, the data label, and the chart is ready. Now we are going to see how to create this amazing chart using the VBA code. Now let's get started and get a deep understanding about the code behind this radar chart in VBA Excel. So this is our sub procedure to create a radar chart in VBA Excel. As you can see that we have couple of lines written inside our VBA module and inside our sub procedure over here. Now we will look into each and every line of code and understand what that code performs in order to create this radar chart in VBA Excel. Now let's get started. So inside our sub procedure, what we are saying right now to VBA, we are giving the instruction to select a cell inside our data set. So as you can see that this is our data set and we are selecting a C4 cell inside our data set over here. So for that we have written range C4 dot select. Now what we are going to do is we are going to use nested with statement inside our VBA code inside our sub procedure to create this amazing radar chart in VBA Excel. Now what we are going to say to our VBA is we are going to use with statement followed by what we are saying active shade dot shapes dot add chart to. So this line of code will help you to inform VBA to get an idea that we are going to create a chart. Now we are going to give the parameters inside the round brackets in our code and so that VBA can understand what type of chart we are going to prepare. So first we are going to give the chart value. So remember each and every chart has its own value. For radar chart we have 240 as its chart value. Once you have given this chart value, we will be separating this parameter by a comma. Then we want to inform what type of chart we are trying to build. So we are trying to build a radar chart in Excel. So for that we are going to give the command as Excel radar. After that we are going to give the parameters for setting our chart location as well as the height and width of our chart using left, top, width and height. After giving these parameters, what we are going to do, we are going to select this chart after closing the brackets. So for that we will use dot select. So once you have selected this chart, we will be using another with statement inside this with statement over here. So what this inner with statement is going to do is it's going to perform some actions with our active chart. So once you have selected our chart over here after creating it, it becomes our active chart. And then we are going to say with active chart, and then below that we are going to write dot set element, and in the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines as none. Now this line of code will help us to remove the grid lines inside our chart while creating. And then we are going to set our legends on top. So for that we are going to use another dot set element over here, and we are going to give MSO element legend top in the brackets. So once you have written this code, this line will help us to keep our legends on top, as you can see inside our chart over here. Now we are going to inform our radar chart that we want a chart title as well. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to say that dot has title equals to true. This line of code will help VBA to understand that yes, we want a chart title inside our chart. Next, we are going to set our chart title by using dot chart title dot text equals to. This line of code will help us to set or give a particular name to our chart title. In this video, I have given as radar chart in VBA Excel. Now as you can see, this name is appearing on my chart title as radar chart in VBA Excel. Now once I have given my chart title, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the data labels on my chart. As you can see, this is my data labels given to my chart. So to create this, I will be using dot series collection 1. So what this chart is doing is this chart is showing this value inside the chart. So this line is doing that, and then we are going to end the with statement over here, and then we are going to end the another with statement, which is the outer with statement over here. So once you have completed this much of code inside your VBA editor, your chart will be ready successfully. Now as you can see that we have already selected our chart over here, so our chart is still active and it's selected. So to deselect our chart, we are going to use range e5 dot select. So this will help us to deselect our chart. And then our code is complete now, and congratulations, we have completed and created our radar chart in VBA Excel successfully. If you like this video, then please do subscribe, like, share, and if you have any doubts, then please do comment about this video in the comment section. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.